Hello, I'm Frank Garcia. I'm a researcher at the Unit of Agriculture Mechanization at the UPC. Today we are going to talk about precision agriculture. Let's get started. As we have already seen, precision agriculture is not about sensors. It's not about technology. It's about a philosophy of management. So why do we need sensors to perform precision agriculture? Do we really need them? When? In fact, we need someone or something to collect information, additional A's, and we are going to talk about that in this module. The key is to determine the variability. We need to know which place of the field is different from the other places of the field. And this is difficult to be done only by bare A's. So we are going to use technology for that. And we have two different ways of using it. We can do the maps based on real-time sensors. So we are going to collect information every second, or we can do these maps based on other kind of information as the aerial images. So if we go to the first type of sensors, we have ultrasound sensors that are basically giving us information about the distance that we have from the sensor to the objective. In this way, we can perceive the properties of the vegetation and make an estimation of the volume of vegetation that we have in each of the fields. Then, if we go to another kind of sensor, a bit more sophisticated, we go to a LiDAR sensor. It's a laser-based sensor that provides us not only the shape of the vegetation, the volume of the vegetation, but also can give us information about the density of this vegetation. This is information that we are going to collect in real time. But then we have another kind of sensors, those that are on board aerial platforms. And we have several of them. We have satellites, we have nanosatellites that fly lower than satellites, but we also have planes and the newly come drones. We have fixed-wing drones, we have octocopters, different kind of platforms that fly at different distances and provide different quality of this information that we are going to gather. Depending on the type of platform, the type of sensor, we are going to get different ways of information and different reliability of this information and precision. For example, satellites are very good at providing temporal information of our crops. Our crop is going to change over time, so it is a very powerful tool to collect information every week or even every day in some kind of sensors. In this way, we can perceive how this crop is going to change in properties along the time. Finally, the information we want to get is how different the crop is, or the canopy is, from one area to another one, with the final objective of creating canopy maps that show us this variability that is necessary for precision agriculture. Now we have the maps. In the future models, we are going to see how to convert this information to actionable data that can be used for precision agriculture.